Hey friends, good afternoon. I am getting started later today because I actually got to sleep in this morning thanks to my husband. Normally I don't sleep past 6, 7 o'clock, and he graciously let me sleep in, took care of Clover this morning, and I have been hanging around. But I have my genetics appointment at the breast center today, so I'm really nervous. So in preparation for that, I'm gonna do a little shopping. I haven't been to the Container Store in a long time, so I'm gonna go there and poke around. I do have some things on a list that I need to pick up, but I just want to go poke around a little bit and see what I can find. And I also want to go to HomeGoods, and then I'm going to go straight to the appointment after that. So I think I have like a couple of hours to fart around. So I'm going to go now, and I'll see you at TCS. All right, I've arrived. It's like 1 o'clock, and it looks like they have gotten their truck delivery. So it might be a bit of a mess in there. I mean, I hope not, but it might be. So, but let's go in and let's go shopping. I want to pick up some of these, but I think I want the gold ones. These are cute. All right, let me pick up a couple of these. The sales section. Oh, these are online only now? Who knew? Wow. Okay. Let's see. Always some good deals over here. I don't think I'll be picking up any of these things, but you know, good deals. It's like 4:30 or something, and I am back, well, 4:43, and I was at HomeGoods, and I got a bench for the entryway, finally. I've been looking for a nice bench. It's not really, I was gonna go for like something more mid-century modern, but I think this is pretty cute. What I think though, is I might paint it a color, like white or something. It's pretty nice. And it has a little space underneath for shoes or bins or whatever. Hello. And but it fits perfectly. So like, look at this. Is this not perfect? So it's not super intrusive when you walk in. You have all this nice space. So I'm loving it. I can sit on it. I can put my shoes on here instead of standing up and putting my shoes on. So I think it's a little better for you. But yeah, little stool, little bench from HomeSense or HomeGoods. And yeah, there was only one. So I was glad I picked it up. I walked by it, and then I like walked by it again. And then I walked by it again, and I was like, okay, yeah. I also got some stuff from the Container Store. You saw me, I was shopping there. And also TJ Maxx and HomeGoods. So I'll do the HomeGoods one first. Here I am. I'm gonna turn off this light. There, still kind of dark, but not as dark, as weird as it was. So I got a couple of paring knives. I wanted to just get a serrated paring knife. So this one's serrated, and you can actually never have too many paring knives. I like paring knives. So yeah, these were $5.99, so pretty good value. Hope they're not terrible. Hello, Clover. I got along with the stool, I got a big old buttload of coffee, because for me, for some reason, TJ Maxx is like the best place to buy coffee, like TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So I got some Kahlua coffee, I got some Godiva coffee caramel. I'm very excited. I got another thing of maple pecan because your girl loves it. Almost done with the other bag. I got a whole bean Kenya. I hope this is good. It sounded good. It says well-rounded with notes of tropical fruit and brown sugar. I mean, that sounds good to me, don't you think? And then I found cinnamon dolce from Starbucks. I'm so excited. I love cinnamon dolce. Love cinnamon dolce like K-cups. So I got the ground. So because we have now reusable K-cups, I'll just put those back in there for now. Push this out of the way. Clover's looking through my container store bag, so we'll start with the small bag. Well, I got some compartment, just like plastic compartments for my Christmas ornament project. Excuse me, does not belong to you. I got some Urban Essentials. These are like hand wipes, but they smell really good. They're totally extra. Ooh, I'm very excited about this. I got a nightlight for the bathroom. So if we get up at night and have to go to the bathroom, the nightlight will come on because it is super dark in our bathroom. Excuse me, sir. Super dark in our bathroom. And you know, the night trips, just not good. So we'll try this out. I'll let you know how it works. It's from a company called Light It. And what else? Why are you so interested in what's in here? There's nothing in here for you, sir. Oh, I got a refill of the signature detergent from Laundress, so I don't have to buy a new bottle of that. You're the worst. I got a scrub, mommy. I'm hoping this will be really good. I'm definitely influenced by Audi Catarina, so she basically sold this to me, so I'm gonna try it out. I also got some command strips. You know, it's a refill. Excuse me. Elf utility hooks. Oh, the labels. I got some of these like clip labels. Pretty cute. Scoop. This is for a project I have. Another one of these labels. I went crazy. And I got some more Elf utility hooks. Like they're like just these hooks. So, that's that stuff. I got more of these like divided things for my Christmas project. Some of these. Basically, I got different sizes of these. And last but not least, I'm not going to pull everything out of here. Woo! I got just this to put in the laundry room. So, or in the coat closet. I haven't figured it out. I'm thinking laundry room, but you know, it's debatable. They go on the Alpha door and wall rack like that, and then you can put the hooks on there. So I'm thinking laundry room, but aren't these cute? They're for a project I have coming up on the channel, so stay tuned. So I thought they were very, very cute. Tall ladder, one of these. I have a small one. It's probably like over there, but this one's taller. So it's for short people. So I'm gonna put this one down in the laundry room because I just need a little extra height in there. So yay, need ladders everywhere. Now that I live in 2 levels, I had to buy more ladders. So here he comes. I have been out most of the day. It's been really gloomy here in the Northeast. We've had, okay, you want to get in my lap? Here we go. We've had this nor'easter that's been, woo, coming up and, you know, pounding us with rain and wind and stuff like that for a few days. It's been really gloomy outside, so I'm gonna try and stay cheerful, even though the weather's very gloomy. This one cheers me up. You're like a little sunshine. Oh, you didn't have to kiss me in the mouth. So after I went shopping, I went to the breast center to have some genetic testing and counseling for breast cancer, BRCA1 and BRCA2, and a number of other things. I have a limited family history of breast cancer, so I did have the official genetic testing today. I had a blood test, and they, you know, talked me through all the things, you know, make sure I wasn't gonna hesitate. And I'm gonna be honest with you and tell you that I'm a little nervous about the results. But I figure I might as well be proactive while I can. If I do have a genetic mutation, I will just be more vigilant with screening, and if they catch it something really early, then it increases the chances that they'll be able to successfully treat, you know, whatever may occur there. So, yeah, I'm a little nervous, but you know, that's the thing. Really, I'm gonna have to say, I think that Vlogtober is pretty much over for me at this point. I'm traveling on Friday to a like a family's place, and I will shoot some vlog footage there, but don't expect it to go up until next week or anything. I am gonna take a little time and just hang out with my family and enjoy the environment and just soak in the last few days of the month and relax a little bit. We're taking the bean with us, and I have to say that I really have been enjoying Vlogtober, like a lot. Like normally when I do Vlogmas, it's like upload every day until Christmas or Christmas Eve. It can be a lot of work, and this has actually been a lot of work, but it's been happy work, and I've been really enjoying reading your comments and connecting with you and sort of relaxing with you every day, and I have had a lot of fun. I'm definitely tired. I definitely need to make some time for the things that I've now fallen behind on during the month, including some emails and doing some business stuff and learning some music. I do have like something to do seriously next week, so I think I'm gonna need a little more time to do that stuff. But I have to say, thank you so much for coming along with me this month and hanging out with me daily. I've really enjoyed hanging out with you. I'm so sorry to end sort of earlier than I planned on, but I need to get some stuff done. I need to get some stuff done. I will be taking a little bit of a break after in the middle of November. So, but just trust I'll be back. I'll be back. So I may be gone for a couple of weeks, but I definitely will be back. I have content scheduled to go up in like the second Friday of November for sure, and early November. So that stuff has to go up because it's part of, well, it's brand deals, I will say. But also I just want to take a little bit of a respite from the vlogging content and do some regular organizing content. So I hope you guys have enjoyed hanging out with us, and I'll put some stuff away. Maybe I'll have a little cup of coffee. Clover and I are gonna hang out and we'll edit the video, and we will see you very soon. We'll definitely see you next week, but just not over the next couple of days. So I hope you're having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves and the ones around you. Right, Clover?